Today we are going to show you how to change a flat tire. On the road some problems can happen and a puncture on your tire is one of them. So it's necessary to know how to proceed when you face a situation like that.
Remember that you should put the safety on the first place. So put a reflector warning about 30 steps from the car if you're on a highway. It can avoid a car crash and its aftermath.
So now pick up your step tire, the wrench and the jack. Normally the automaker put them on the trunk under the cover.
Loose the lug nuts. It can be a little bit hard because of the force put on the wheel as it spins while you drive, but you can use your foot to help you doing it. You better do this with the car yet on the ground, otherwise you won't be able to lose the lug nuts.
Now it's time to the jack do its work. Lift the car patiently and carefully to avoid any problems. Don't you put your legs or your arms under the car, it can be dangerous.
Remember that you should put the jack on a safe point on the frame. Most of the cars have an arrow pointing the appropriate place to do it.
Finish loosening the lug nuts to take the wheel off of the car.
Put the new one on its place and find the holes. Then put the lug nuts back and screw them until it gets pretty screwed.
Now you can lower the car, finishing the jack's job. After you have to finish screwing using your foot, as you did to lose them on the beginning.
We are almost finishing the job. Put the wheel cap back to protect the integrity of the nuts and to make it more beautiful.
Don't forget the reflector warning on the road. Keep the flat tire on the place the step 1 was, putting the jack and the wrench on its places. You can need them again, and it's not good to lose them.
Done. Now your car is ready to get back on the streets again and to steal the trip. Thank you for watching. We are the first year students of Línguas Estrangeiras Modernas at Universidade Estadual de Londrina. Hope you enjoy.